saved us. Oh my god.
Do we need the water?
No.
Was there a fire like in the house?
See?
No. No, are you kidding?
Yeah.
Cos'è che è? Cos'è che ha preso fuoco?
Questo.
So recently we were doing fireworks and outside in our backyard for Alexander's birthday, and something sort of went wrong and it shot into the house and it broke some glass. And then like a curtain caught on fire, so my dad had to stamp it out, and so we're just getting two curtains caught on fire. And then yeah, so but Spain won. Yeah, todos. Okay. Did you witness it, Luca?
Yes, so the fireworks started shooting sideways, and then one, I believe it was green, shot all the way into one of those like portici things, and it just became green. And then my father, Daniel Barsha, ran over, and I was right behind him, and he was stamping out flames. I could barely see because it was very
So, yeah, we were stamping out flames. Sadly, we didn't get it on video, but he was filming the whole thing, and then he ran inside and started stamping out the fire, but it didn't get it on video.